All right, folks, here's three chart requests. Three chart requests from over here inside the Discord. I'm taking these right from the chart request thread. If you guys have chart requests, just get them in right here in the thread. The first one we're looking at here today is going to be Nflx. So Nflx got its sell signal back here in 2025, back in June. Okay, we trade a weekly chart here. We're macro swing traders here. We're not day traders. Okay, it went from 130 all the way down here to 75. It actually hit our blue line, which is our 4-year moving average right there. Beautiful entry spot right there if you guys are going long on these assets. $75 was a great bounce there. We got the signal back here at around 86. Okay, it did go up to 110, and now it pulled back to where this last signal came. So what we're doing right now on Nflx is we're holding off. Okay, you got your sell signal back here at around 90. That was around 96. It's pulling back. So what we want to do is just wait for the next signal, right? See where that next signal comes. We're getting pretty close here to the 4-year. Okay, this doesn't look bad. We just want to see the signal here. The next one's going to be MU. Okay, this is not something we would touch here using our strategy. Okay, I know everybody's talking about it. Everybody's having a good time, right? It's the greatest company in the world. They got all this forward PE, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we're right here. Okay, we're in the delusion new paradigm territory. This was like XRP at $3.50 last year. Everybody's losing their mind. Nobody thinks it's going to go down. People are greedy. They just want those gains, gains, gains. But again, if you look at the 4-year average, and again, what we do here is we reference that 4-year average, the mean, okay, that dotted line down there. We never want to buy way up off the 4-year average. Okay, we want to buy below the 4-year average or at the 4-year average. So if you look at MU, look where the 4-year average is. Okay, and I know they got forward PE. They're the greatest company in the world. They're having a ball. They're 80% off the 4-year average. So I don't know about you guys, but with my investments, I don't want to buy things at a premium. I don't want to buy things that are expensive. I don't care if this thing goes to 2,000. I'm not buying it, okay, because we trade based off the data here. We don't trade based off of what we think's going to happen or what Jim Cramer said's going to happen on CNBC, okay? Your time to buy MU, Micron, was down here in April of last year. Nobody was talking about Micron down here when it was down at $63, okay? We bought somewhere down in this area back in 2025. Yeah, we probably sold a little too early, obviously, okay? But again, we're just trying to be consistent here. Our trading strategy is about consistency, not about hitting these home runs. This has been a really nice trade, but again, it's only a nice trade if you take your profits. Again, 80% off the 4-year average, that tells us we're at the top, okay? Eventually it's going to pull back and everyone's going to be sucking their thumbs, moving back in with mama. Okay, 81% off the 4-year. We're not touching it. Sndk is the same thing. Again, this thing's up 7,000% in the last year. Okay, you missed the trade. Okay, again, nothing goes up forever. Eventually, this will pull back. I would like to see this one at 600. Out of these three, I like Nflx the most for a buy here.